Hello everyone, my name is Miss Bankston. I am going to be around to help you with your nursing assistant course for trimester 3, along with our new instructor Wanda Nelson, who's very excited to get started with you all next week. In the meantime, I just wanted to take a minute to walk through our trimester 3 Schoology course and make sure that the pieces make sense, as they may look different than your nursing assistant courses prior this year. So, up on the screen here, you can see if you log into the Schoology course for 4th hour, you will see what I see on my screen here. So a couple of things to point out. At the very top, we have a Google Meet. This is for students who are opting to continue with virtual learning instead of being back in the building for the remainder of the year. If that is you, then you will log into this link during our class time. You'll follow the exact same schedule following here at school. We'll turn on a camera and let you listen in on what we're doing in the classroom. Here in the middle, this picture is just a quick hello and welcome with some information that can be helpful for you. My name is on there. Miss Wanda Nelson is on there. For the time being, if you have questions, you can send them to my email listed there, bankstone@district279.org. And then you can see this Google Meet link here. This is the same Google Meet as is linked right here at the top. Then, for each of your weeks during Nursing Assistant, we will be creating a weekly folder. So you can see here, week 1 is listed. That's now, that's here, that's what we're doing. So if you click into that week 1 folder, you'll see a couple of resources here as well. The very first thing you'll see, and this is probably similar to a lot of your classes here at Osseo Senior High, is your checklist for the week. Since you guys are in 4th hour, we'll have 4th hour on Wednesday and Thursday, and then everybody does all 6 of their classes on Friday. So you'll see things listed, work here listed for you to do on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The way that I've broken up our tasks for Wednesday and Thursday, because half of you will be here on Wednesday and half of you will be here on Thursday. So you'll have in-class day work. All of the things listed under in-class day, you don't need to worry about when you're not at Osseo Senior High. Everything listed on the in-class day, I will be doing with you, or Miss Wanda will be doing with you while you're in school. It's the at-home day you'll want to take a look at, and on your day that you are not here in school, that you're learning virtually, you would want to make sure that you get that assignment done while you're home. So these are designed for you to be able to manage without much teacher support. However, if you do have questions, of course, reach out. So in-class day and at-home day. Half of you will have in-class on Wednesday and at-home on Thursday, and the other half will have at-home on Wednesday and in-class on Thursday. We all know the drill, right? It's like oddly, weirdly familiar and confusing all at the same time. So for your in-class day, you'll see that there's a couple of assignments listed here. Okay, on in-class day, we're going to be working on All About Me, and we're also going to be doing our nursing assistant certification form. Those assignments, any assignments that are listed on this checklist, will show up in order below the checklist as well. So All About Me is just kind of a fun thing we're going to do together when you're in class this week. The nursing assistant certification form is just a very quick little Google form that we're asking you to fill out. We're just trying to get a feel for which students are still interested in pursuing their nursing assistant certification, and we have a plan in place to make sure that that can happen for you. So it's a quick, like, what's your name, and are you interested in certifying with the state? Okay? These two things we're going to do in class together, either on Wednesday or Thursday, depending on if you're an A or B day kid. The thing that I'd like for you to do on your own, on either Wednesday or Thursday, is this Behaviors for Success. And this assignment is just a quick, you watch a quick video, and then I want to hear a little, it's going to talk about wellness. So I want you to think a little bit about how wellness plays into your life and the things that you can do to make sure you are taking good care of yourself, because that's so important. It's so important in being a good nurse. It's so important in just being happy and healthy. So there's 3 assignments total. 2 of them are for your in-person day. 1 of them is for your at-home day. For Friday then, for this first week, we're going to keep it light. I just would like for you to use your time on Friday to make sure that you have all 3 of these things done really well and turned into me. Okay, as I mentioned before, if you have any questions, I put my email here again. It's also on the main page. So shoot me a question if you're at home and you're stuck. Shoot me a question, and if I have any time in the day, we'll make sure that I get back to you. Okay, we're really excited for this trimester and getting to know you all.